Year, everyone. We know that 2020 was a little rough, but we hope you have a great 2021. Hey guys, I'm Mara.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins.
So today, we are going to be making an easy and delicious lava cake.
Let's get to it. Before we start, please consider hitting that subscribe button as it'll really help our channel out.
Alright, in a medium-sized bowl, we got 2/3 cups of unsalted softened butter, as well as 2 cups of chocolate chips. These are semi-sweet chocolate chips. We are going to go ahead and microwave this for 20-second intervals. Basically, we are going to put it in the microwave for 20 seconds and then mix it. And we're just going to keep on doing that until it is fully melted. Alright, now we are going to add in a teaspoon of salt. And give that a nice mix. And then we're going to add in 2 egg yolks and 2 eggs. This is basically just 4 egg yolks and 2 egg whites. Just gonna add that in now. Give it a mix. Okay, so we have fully mixed in the egg and the salt, and now we're gonna go ahead and add in a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And then give that a mix. And now 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix that up. And that is the batter. All right, now we are going to go ahead and oil our ramekins. We have these pretty small glass ramekins which we are going to oil right now. So spray it around. You can also use butter, but we just have oil, so that is what we are going to use. So I'm going to fill these about a little bit more than halfway.
Okay, so we are gonna go ahead and bake these for 10 minutes on 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So the glass containers that we're using for the lava cake actually come with lids. So if you wanna buy these, there's a link down below. So yeah, if you wanna put this in the refrigerator overnight and then bake them another day, that's perfectly fine. So yeah, there's a link down below if you wanna buy them.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so our oven might be a little powerful than most ovens, but so we can recommend to put it like 8 to 10 minutes because we put it 10 minutes and it worked, but it might not work for you. Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Make sure to like,
Subscribe,
share this video,
and turn on notifications. Hey guys, thanks for watching.
make sure to like,
Subscribe,
share this video,
and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos that we post.
make sure to check out our Instagram and our website, linked down below.
And we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.